Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error downloading attachment. If Outlook is giving you trouble when trying to download an attachment, one common cause is outdated or corrupted browser data. In this walkthrough, we'll clear the browser's stored data and then sign back into Outlook. This can often refresh the session and resolve attachment download issues. To begin, open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome or another browser you normally use to access Outlook on the web. Make sure the browser is fully open and ready before moving on. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You should see the three-dot menu icon. This menu gives you access to browser options and settings that can help fix loading or download problems. Click the three dots to open the browser menu. Once the menu appears, find and select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area for the browser. Inside Settings, look for the Privacy and Security section. Different browsers may display it a little differently, but the wording is usually very similar. This section contains controls related to stored files, cookies, and browsing activity, all of which can affect how websites like Outlook behave. After opening Privacy and Security, click on the option to delete browsing data. This is the part of the process that helps remove temporary files and cached information that may be interfering with attachment downloads. When the Delete Browsing Data window opens, choose a date range. Select the appropriate sample date range shown on your screen. In general, using a broader range can be more effective if the issue has been happening for a while, since it clears more stored data. Just keep in mind that clearing browsing data may sign you out of websites. Once the date range is selected, click Delete to confirm. Give the browser a moment to complete the process. Depending on how much data is stored, this may take a few seconds. After the deletion is finished, return to Outlook and log into your account again. Signing back in creates a fresh browser session, which can often fix issues related to stuck downloads, expired session data, or corrupted cached files. At this point, try opening the email and downloading the attachment again. In many cases, this simple cleanup resolves the error and allows Outlook to function normally. That's it. You've now gone through the browser cleanup process that can help fix Outlook attachment download problems.